attitude. Did you know the Rashi of Ram and Ravana was same, but they had the different attitude which made the Ram win and which made the Ravana lose. So hello guys, this is Vikas in front of you, and today I am going to tell you about two most important things in this world, that are attitude and confidence. Lion. If I talk about the lion, it's just an animal which is having such an attitude which makes it the king of the forest, because it creates its own path. It does not follow anyone's path and it guides itself. And if I talk about confidence, so it is having such a confidence which makes it a leader of the jungle, because whether there is an elephant or a rhinoceros in front of it, it thinks to have the dinner, having killed those animals who are in front of it. So this is what the lion is. If I talk about one of the best runner, Milkha Singh, who is the Asian champion, if I talk about him, he had the confidence, he had the attitude, having defeated Abdul Khalik. Because he had the attitude when he defeated the Abdul Khalik. When he defeated once, he had the attitude, he had the confidence, now I can defeat to Abdul Khalik. So this is what the confidence is, because if you are going to do anything, if you are going to, means if you are going to have your aim, so that time you are going to have attitude, you are going to have confidence, because having us even a small achievement, we are having attitude. Whether we have achieved small, that is tremendous for us, that is tremendous achievement for us. This is what the confidence and attitude is. So as I talked about the lion, as I talked about one of the best Asian runner, one of the best athletes, Mr. Milkha Singh, let me give